So I'm going to use the definition that Dave Snowden uses, and I've learned from him. So the credit goes to Dave Snowden. The Cynefin framework is a sense-making framework. And one of the things that we have in there is the differentiation between complicated and complex work. So complicated, as defined by Dave Snowden, is where the work can be done by specialists, and different specialists will do it differently. So there is more than one way, but you need a specialist. An example could be, taking a car, if you like, for service. You can take it apart, put it back together, or a Swiss watch. Every specialist can take it apart, put it back together, and you still have a working watch. They may not all use exactly the same way of doing it, but they can all understand what needs to be done, what's not working, put it back together. So another way of doing it is, and that's it. Okay, let's just keep it like that. A complex domain is where the cause and effect are not known in advance, and they are not knowable in advance. And even when you know it, so the same cause will not give the same effect. So another example for complicated could be a game of football. So the rules of football are fairly clear, but a game of football becomes complex because, the same ball, if you like, pass from one end to the other may result in a goal or may result in a handball or whatever. So it is not possible to know the cause and effect. So that's, if you like, a complex domain where the cause and effect is not knowable in advance. And when you're navigating a complex environment, you cannot know in advance. So this is navigating uncertainty. So you cannot know in advance what the outcome will be. You can form some goals to say you need to have more of these effects and less of these, but it's not until you take a step, you won't know. So you take a step and you realize whether what you wanted to go towards is being achieved, and you amplify it, or if it's not, then you do less of it, or you stop altogether.